Hello everyone, welcome to Mahagurus. In this video, we will learn how we can create a logo in Canva. Now to create a logo in Canva, first go to canva.com and click on create a design. But before that, I'll tell you, this is the new series that we have recently started. So if you are interested to check more videos, just go to our channel and you can check the entire playlist. To create a logo, just go to canva.com and sign up. And once you sign up, just go to create a design here. Just click on that and write logo. Now once you type logo, Canva will suggest you some of these default size of 500 pixels, but in case if you have any custom requirements, just enter your custom size here and you are good to go. But in this video, I'll just use logo. So just click on logo and you will land on this typical Canva edit dashboard. So you will see all these cool looking logos. This is a cool part of Canva where you don't have to start from scratch. You can also use these copyright free templates from Canva. And yeah, let's say I'm looking for a logo for my bar, I would say. Yeah, so once you type here the keyword, Canva will suggest you all these logo here. And because I'm using the Canva Pro membership, that's why I'll be able to use all these icons or the logos that has Pro written on it. But for this video, I'll just start with the free ones. So yeah, this is good. So once you click on that, you will land here on a white canvas. So you can change pretty much everything. You can change the background, you can change the element, you can change the graphics, text, the font size, italicize, font edits, everything is editable. Not just that, you can also delete elements or delete fonts from here. Let's say you don't need this 2022, just select it and delete it. If you want to change the size, just do like that. If you want to bold it, just bold it, and you can even delete the elements or something. Now let's say you don't like the glass and you want to add some other glass in it. So I'll just go to elements and I'll write glass. Now Canva will give you many options here: all, graphics, photos, videos, audios, frames, and many more. So I'll just go to graphics because that's what I'm looking for. I'll just click this, the cool looking glass like this. So this is how you can create logo in Canva, not from scratch, but using the templates that we already have. So if you want to export this logo for your client or for your anything, you can just click here on share and click on download. And when you click here file type, Canva will suggest you many file types you can export as GIF, videos, PDF, SVG, which is for the premium members only, JPG, PNG, PDF. You can also print from Canva, which is very cool. So yeah, let's just select PNG and click on download. Just click enter and it's downloaded. So this way guys, you can create logo in Canva. If you really like this video, please make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you are interested to watch more such short Canva tutorials, please check our playlist. Thank you.